Initiating simulation 064. Buckle up. T-0. The speed of light is lowered to 100 miles per hour. At first, walking around your house feels completely normal. But the second you get in a car, the world breaks. As you approach 50 miles per hour, the Doppler effect kicks in. The light waves in front of you compress, turning the world bright blue. The light waves behind you stretch out, shifting to red. At 80 miles per hour, length contraction begins. To you, the outside world squishes together like an accordion. But here is the glitch. The universe has a strict rule. As you move faster through space, you move slower through time. At 99 miles per hour, you are moving at 99% the speed of light. Time dilation takes over. For every minute you experience in the car, years are passing by for the people standing still. A 10-minute commute to the grocery store at this speed is a one-way ticket to the future. You step out of the car to greet your spouse. You have aged 10 minutes. They have aged 40 years. Society would instantly collapse. A fractured timeline where the fast outlive the slow. The highway becomes a time machine that only goes forward. Simulation. Result. Speed comes with a terrible price. Simulation concluding. End log.